Summa Health actually started as Akron City Hospital a little over 125 years ago, and the mission was and continues to be to provide the highest quality compassionate care to our patients and members and contribute to a healthier community. Summa Health employs close to 8,000. The Summa Health system is the largest employer in all of Summit County.
Our challenges with power is making sure we have the right amount of power for the right equipment at the right time. So everything in healthcare today is related to computer systems. Everything's run automatically. And when you have a patient on the table in a procedure, you can't afford for power to be lost.
Anyone who's lost power at home knows how devastating that can be. If you multiply that in the healthcare setting, it's imperative that we have reliable backup. The decision to build the new tower was multifaceted. It's going to be the new main entrance of the hospital. The tower itself is over 300,000 square feet and will house multiple clinical services, 6 brand new ORs, and that second and fourth floor of the tower will be dedicated to women's services.
So Ohio Cat has supplied 3 C32 high power density 1250 kW generator sets for the new patient tower.
So the high power density units were selected based on their footprint and the amount of power they produce. The ability to parallel them is critical, and to load shed. So we can load shed off elevators, for instance, one of the chillers, one of the boilers, if we're in a critical situation where the community's out of power and we need to self-sustain for a long time.
For the hospital, it was a definite benefit that they could get the 1250 kW out of the smaller machine, and a lot less expensive as well. The Ohio Cat's been involved with Summa Health for decades. We've got generators throughout the greater Akron area at multiple facilities.
We've got engines that are 30 years old and they're still running today.
Healthcare facilities tend to recognize the advantage of having a premium product. It's not because we're the cheapest on the block, it's because we're the best. It has to run when it's needed. I like to think Ohio Cat and Summa Health have a pretty special relationship. It goes beyond just being an equipment supplier, and you have to develop that trust and earn that trust.
The reliability of Caterpillar in our area, we get great service, and I've been using Caterpillar engines for 20-some years, and they're reliable. As long as I'm in charge, won't be deviating from Caterpillar.